Sir.
Carefully.
Yes, sir.
A continuation of AP, that is, listen carefully. The question I gave you already, first question, second question. Now I am giving third example, that is, how many terms? Example 3. How many terms? How many terms? How many terms of AP? Of AP, what is that AP series? 7, 11, 15, 19, 23, so on. How many terms of this AP must be taken to get the sum is 250? Must be taken to get the sum. To get the sum. To get the sum is, to get the sum is 250. Is 250. See here, given AP series and not given nth term. Last term is not given, no problem, is not given nth term. But the problem when we have, it's not given number of terms. Why? Because in formula we have small n. There is not given how many terms. Number of terms is not given. But the sum of this AP, sum of all these terms is given to 50. Now he is asking what? Suppose to get 6 sum of numbers in AP, the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. To get the sum 6, how many numbers we have to take? 3 numbers. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. To get 10, how many numbers we have to take? 4 numbers. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So, this question also similar, given series, but not given number of terms. Small n is not given, but given the sum of total numbers is given. The sum of total numbers is given. So now, given from this AP series, we can write the small a, first term 7, and the common difference is small d is equal to 11 minus 7, 11 minus 7, 11 minus 7. So d is equal to 4, a is equal to 7, and also there given one more sum of terms. Sum of terms means Sn, and also given Sn is equal to sum of terms is equal to 250. Sum of terms is equal to 250. Now we have to find how many number of terms. Small n we have to find. Small n is equal to what is asking. Number of terms is asking. Now take that formula, Sn formula. We have Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now Sn is what? 250 is equal to n by 2. What is n? Not given n. N by 2 of 2a. A is 7, but 2 into 7, 14. This a is 7, Nana. So 2 into 7, 14. Plus again n, not given n. N minus 1 into what is d? D given 4. Now by expanding this, we will get the values, n values. Okay, expand. 250 into 2, 500 is equal to n into 14 plus n into 4, 4n. Next, minus into plus minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Now, 14 minus 4, it will be 10. 500 is equal to n into 10. 14 minus 4 will be 10 plus 4n. Now multiply with n. 500 is equal to n into 10, 10n plus 4n into n, 4n square. Now all are even numbers. We can take one even number, 2 or 4 or 6 or whatever it is. What is here we can take common, we can take that is. So here we can take first 2 common. before that I am taking 500 that side. This is plus 500, taking that side it will be minus 500, and I am writing first square terms, that is 4n square. Next 10n, then 500 will be minus 500 is equal to 0. Listen carefully. Okay. Now here we can take 2 common. 2 2 ja 2n square. 2 5 ja 5n. 2 250 ja 250 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Is a quadratic equation in terms of n. Now we can do factorization. The previous we completed one chapter, that is quadratic equation. So factorization. 2 into 250, 500. 2 into 250, 500. So to get to 5, how we can write the product of numbers for 500? What are the factors you have to know? So we can write 500, 5 into 100, 500, but we will not get 5. And more we can write what? 25 into 25 4 ja 100. 25 16 ja. No, 25 4 ja 100. 25 4 5 ja 25 20 ja. 25 20 ja 500. Huh?
From 2n square, you can say once again.
From here?
So, no, sir, from up to 4n square. You
Yeah.
did LCM, sir. Yes, sir.
No, I am taking 2 common. How LCM, man? When we have to do LCM, when we have fractions, we have to do LCM.
I understood.
Here, how you can do LCM? You are not doing properly work at home. Listen, Jibin, you should do properly. Otherwise, you will not get remember. This is mathematics. Okay. You are taking 2 common. 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 250, 250 into 2 500. Again, taking 2, that side 2 will be 0. Then we can write what? 2n square plus 5n minus 250 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Is a quadratic equation. I am doing factorization. 2 into 250, I am doing 500. 500 we can write 25 into 20. 25 into 20 is clearly 500. 25 minus 20 is clearly 5. So we can write with 25 and 20. That's why I am using those two values. So first we have 2n square. 2n square. Then you have 5n plus 25n minus 20n, and remaining minus 250 is equal to 0. Now from these two I am taking only n common. This n only we can take common. We can't take number. Why? Because this is even, this is odd. So I am taking n common. Taking n common, more 2 and n is there. 2 n is there plus 25 is there. Okay. Okay. Now from these two, okay, I will write down this step. Okay. From these two, I am taking only n common. I am taking n common. Taking n common, more 2n is there plus 25 is there. Plus 25 is there. And from these two, I can take minus 250, 20. We can take what common? 10 we can take common. 10 2 ja. 10 2 ja. 10 2 ja. 20. 10 into 25. 250. So I am taking minus 10 common. Then remaining here 2n. 10 into 2. 20n. And here minus already common. So plus. And 10 into 25. 25 is equal to 0. 10 into 25 will be 250. Very important step you should understand. This is what I am taking from these two n common. Taking n common, more 2n is there. Plus taking n common, 25 is there. Minus I am taking common from these two terms. And with even multiple I am taking 10 common. 0 0 common. I am taking 10 common. Taking from here 10 common with minus, more 2n is there. And already minus common, plus is there. And from 250 I am taking common 10, remaining multiple 25 is there. 25 times 250. Now again we can take 2n plus 25 common. 2n plus 25 taking common. Remaining here n, here minus 10 is equal to 0. Now 0 product rule we have to apply, that is what? 2n plus 25 is equal to 0 or n minus 10 is equal to 0. Now 2n is equal to minus 25, 25 taking method it will be minus 25, n is equal to 10, minus 10 will be plus 10. Now n is equal to minus 25 by 2, here n value minus 25 by 2, here n value is 10. We have to find number of terms. Number of terms should be positive and integer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that we will get number of terms. We will not get like this fraction, and this is not integer, this is a fraction and also negative. So this is not possible. This is not possible. This only possible, that is the number of terms, the number of terms, the number of terms n is equal to 10. So to get the sum of the given arithmetic progression 250, the number of terms should be 10. Then only we will get the sum is 250. So this is the solution of this problem. Copy this. Next question also difficult, different question. This topic is very important. You should practice every day the questions which I am giving as homework and classwork. Otherwise, you will be feel very difficult. This is the question. See, next question is saying what? How many terms of the AP? Example 4. How many terms? How many terms of AP? What is AP series here given? 17, 15, 13, 11, so on. How many terms of this AP? We are not given number of terms. He is asking how many terms of this AP to get the sum 72. To get sum 72. Same like previous question, but little bit different is there. I will tell you what is that also. To get 72, to get the sum of all numbers 72, how many numbers you have to take in this AP series? So here given the first term, A is equal to 17, and a common difference, B is equal to 15 minus 17. I am writing here 15 minus 17. It will be minus 2. Don't write plus 2. If you see difference of 17 minus 15, it is 2. Na? So we will do like this in air problems. That is wrong. You should write small minus big always negative. Big minus small always positive. Understand? So that's why you should solve like this. 15 minus 17 is minus 2. That is what? Common difference. And also one more hint given, that is sum of numbers Sn is equal to given 72. Sn also is given 72. Small n is not given, same like previous. So we have, what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. Just now we used the same formula. Sn is given 72. I am writing in place of Sn 72. And n by 2. Why? Because n we don't know. We have to find n. 2a is 17. 17 2 ja. So I am writing 2 into 17 once. No problem. And plus n minus 1 into what is the value of common difference? D minus 2. Okay, we should write like this every time. We should substitute once in the next step. Then we will get solution easily. Now 2 we can take this side. Why? Because this is divisible for all terms. See, n by 2 or something means total divided by 2 only. That is the meaning. So we can take the denominator from RHS to LHS. It will be multiple. 72 into 2 is equal to n into 17 2 ja 34 and minus into plus minus 2 into n 2n minus into plus minus again minus into minus plus 2 1 ja 2. Now simplification 72 2 ja 7 plus 7 14 144 is equal to n into 34 plus 2 36 minus 2n. Now multiply with n. 144 is equal to n into 36 36n minus 2n into n minus 2n square. Since this n square sum is negative, I am taking this side. In previous question, I took the value that side. Why? Because there we have n value is positive. 2n square plus there. Here minus 2n square. That's why I am taking minus 2n square this side and also 36. Now you will get what? That will be 2n square and this will be minus 36n and this will be plus 144 is equal to 0. Now 2 36 144 we can take 2 common. I am taking 2 common. 2 1 ja minus 2 18 ja 18 2 ja 36 18n plus 2 72 ja already we know here 72 0 272 ja is equal to 0. Now the remaining what here? N square minus 18n plus 72 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation in terms of n. Now factorization. By doing factorization, you have to find what are the values. Okay. See, I am doing here factorization. See, first I am doing roughly. We should get 18, right? Here the coefficient is 1. 1 into 72, 72. 72. I'm finding 2 3 ja 6. 2 6 ja 12. 2 1 ja 2. 2 8 ja 18 2 ja 2 9 ja 3 3 ja and 3 1 ja. Now to get what? 18, we need to get 18. So here 2 2 ja 4 4 2 ja 8 3 3 ja 9 8 9 ja 72 but 8 plus 9 not 18. So waste. Next 3 3 ja 9 9 2 ja 18 into 2 2 ja 4 18 4 ja 72 but 18 plus 4 18 minus 4 we are not getting 17. Again let us see. This is 3 3 ja 9 9 2 ja 18 18 2 ja 36 into 2 but 36 minus 2 you are getting 34. This is also wrong. Now see 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 3 ja 24 8 3 ja 24 24 into 3 but 24 minus 3 is not 18. So 2 18 ja 36 2 9 ja 3 3 ja again 3 1 ja. Okay, 2 2 ja 4 4 3 ja 12. Yeah, 12 into 3 2 ja 6 12 6 ja 72 12 plus 6 18. Yeah, we got 12 6. So now I'm writing the quadratic equation as n square minus 18n, right? Minus 12n minus 6n minus 18n and continuation plus 72 is equal to 0. We can take from these two n common. Taking n common, n minus 12 and from these two we can take minus 6 common. Taking minus 6 common, n already from plus minus common and remaining more minus is there and 6 to 12 is 72. So 12 remaining is there is equal to 0. Please, when I'm explaining, listen carefully. I'm giving very slow. Okay. N minus 12, N minus 12, I'm taking again N minus 12 common. And remaining what here? This is N and this is minus 6 is equal to 0. Now, 0 product rule we are applying. N minus 12 is equal to 0 or N minus 6 is equal to 0. N minus 12 is equal to 0, N is equal to 12. n minus 6 is equal to 0, n is equal to 6. Now we have two n values which are integers. But how we can say here sum of numbers should be what? 72. See, this n equal to 6 is correct. 12 also correct. How 12 is correct? How 6 is correct? See, 17 plus 15 plus 13 plus 11. Then what you will get? 17, 15, 13, 11. Just we are confirming what is the value correct. 11. Then you will get minus 2. 17 minus 2, 15 minus 2, 13 minus 2, 11 minus 2, 9 minus 2, and 7 minus 2, and 5 minus 2, like this. I am taking for 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 7 I am taking and I am checking. Are we getting 72 or not? 10, 20, 30, 40, 9 plus 1, 50, and 7 plus 3, 60, 7 plus 5, 12, 72. So we are getting for 6 terms. But here we got 12 also. Na? What about 12? Number of terms we got 6. But 12 also correct. How correct? After number of terms is 6 to get 72. To get 72. To get some 72. To get some 72. But here 12 also we are getting. Na? How the 12 is correct? In n equal to 12, first 6 terms already you know, that is 6. Remaining 6 terms. First 6 terms we know 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, like that. Remaining 6 terms will be zeros. Remaining 6 terms will be zeros. Means 17, 15, 13, 11, then 9, then 7. Up to 7 we are getting. After the 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. More 6 numbers we are taking as zeros. Okay. So this is the solution of this term. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Have you any doubts, Dibin? If you have no doubt, start copying.
Sir.
Yeah, the question is, this is also very important. This type of questions we have in exercise. Find the sum of two-digit numbers. Two-digit numbers. We have from 10 onwards, 99, all are two-digit numbers. But they are given one condition. What? Those two-digit numbers divisible by 3. Those two-digit numbers should be divisible by 3. So is asking find the sum of the two-digit numbers divisible by 3. So let those numbers we can take as divisible by 3 should be 2 digits. 3 1 is 3. That is not 2 digits. 3 2 is 6. No. 3 3 is 9. No. 3 4 is 12. So from 12 onwards. 12 plus 3, 15 plus 3, 18 plus 3, 21. So the last term will be 99. 2-digit number. It is also divisible by 3. He is asking sum of these numbers. Here, we don't know how many numbers. We have to know small n. So we don't know how many numbers. But we know a equal to 12 first digit and d is equal to 15 minus 2. 12 is 3. Common difference. And the last term Tn also we have. Tn is equal to what? 99. By this Tn we can find n. How? We have Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is Tn? Tn is equal to 99 is equal to a is 12 plus n minus 1. We don't know n. We have to find n value. And d is 3. Now taking 12 this side, 99, listen carefully, I am giving very fast. 99 minus 12 will be 87 is equal to n into 3, 3n, and minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Minus 3 taking this side, 87 plus 3, 90 is equal to 3n. Now 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 30 ja, 90. So n is equal to 30. So total number of terms we have here 30. Now he is asking sum of these number. That is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus, sorry, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is equal to n is what? 30 by 2 into 2a. A is 12. 2 into 12 will be 24 plus n. N is what? 30, but 30 minus 1 will be 29 into what is d? D is equal to 3. Now this is 2 1 ya, 2 15 ya. So 15 into 24 plus 29 3 ja, 3 9 ja, 27, 3 2 ja, 6 plus 2, 87. Okay, 87 plus 24, 15 into 80, 90, 100 and 1 1 1 and 15 into 1 1 1, that is 15 1 ja, 15 and 15 1 ja, 15 plus 1 16, 15 1 ja, 15 plus 1 16. So 1665 is the sum of the numbers which are divisible by 3 and should be 2-digit numbers. Okay, understood, Jivel? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the answer. So you can copy from YouTube. Okay, I will upload just now. Okay, na?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you will
Class
send
will
one more
close.
link, sir.
One more?
Link you will send, sir.
Yeah, I will send now. But for this, I am telling you.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.